All right, so let's take a look at Nmap scanning. Nmap is an open source tool and you can install and of course use it. It provides a host of features as we've mentioned before. So let me show you the profile of this tool. We have many scan options such as Intent Scan plus UDP, Intent Scan no ping, Ping Scan, Quick Scan plus, Quick Traceroute, Regular Scan, and Slow Comprehensive. And I'm going to show you a quick scan for www.google.com. All right, so you can see the results coming out. Let me show you various options one by one. All right, first here I have selected the Port Host tab and am viewing the output. All right, here I have selected the topology and am viewing the output from localhost to google.com. All right, next I have selected host details, the tab here, and am viewing how many ports are open, how many filter ports, how many closed ports. And you can see here I've selected the profile ping scan for google.com and am viewing the output. And all right, I have selected the quick traceroute profile for google.com scan and view the output for quick traceroute. Now you can do an intent scan and get the results at a much more detailed level if you'd like. You can explore the tool further and make use of the features, but basically, there's really not a lot of effort. You can find out the information you need very quickly and go scan as deep as you need to.